Welcome to watch today's fresh home. 35 square meters of elegant Japanese minimalism behind Avenue Foch. Inspired as much by Japan as by modernism, Épicène brings a small garden-level apartment in the 16th arrondissement back to life, through a narrative architecture that magnifies the relationship between interior and exterior. Japan, of the notion of interior-exterior, of thresholds, the engawas, in this apartment with terrace that she will hybridize in a more contemporary, more Parisian way. The L-shaped plan is not transfigured but simplified. The interior designers will give it the elegance of a beautiful simplicity,